Welcome to my YouTube channel. The rapid evolution of drone warfare has forced the United States military to accelerate the deployment of new counter-unmanned aerial system platforms that combine firepower, sensors, and electronic warfare into mobile units. Two of the most prominent systems to emerge in this effort are the U.S. Army's Mobile Low, Slow, Small UAS Integrated Defeat System (LIDS) and the U.S. Marine Corps Marine Air Defense Integrated System (MADIS). Both are designed to protect forces in the field from swarms of drones, loitering munitions, and other low-flying unmanned threats that traditional air defense systems are too large or too slow to counter. These systems represent a new generation of battlefield tools that blend mobility, layered defense, and rapid response into one package, built specifically for the challenges of modern drone combat. The U.S. Army's LIDS has become one of the most advanced counter-drone systems currently in service. Mounted on mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles such as the MATV, the system integrates a variety of weapons and sensors into a single mobile platform. The most visible and powerful weapon on LIDS is the XM914 30mm chain gun, capable of firing proximity-fused rounds that can shred drones out of the sky in close engagements. This gun serves as the system's final protective measure, designed to take out targets that slip through other layers of defense. In addition to the cannon, LIDS is equipped with Coyote Block 2 interceptors, small guided missiles that can be launched from rails mounted on the vehicle. These interceptors are particularly effective against drones at longer ranges and can be guided by radar until their onboard seeker takes control, ensuring precision hits against maneuvering targets. For even more flexibility, the system also mounts a .50 caliber machine gun and an M247.62mm machine gun, allowing crews to engage a wide spectrum of threats. The sensors that enable LIDS are equally important. The system uses Ku-band radar, Kur-FS surveillance systems, electro-optical and infrared cameras, and advanced radio frequency detection tools to identify and track targets. These are all linked through the Forward Area Air Defense Command and Control Network, giving operators a comprehensive picture of the battlespace. LIDS also includes electronic warfare systems capable of jamming drone communications or GPS signals, providing a non-kinetic option to neutralize threats. This layered approach ensures that the Army has multiple ways to detect, track, and destroy drones before they can strike. The system was first deployed in live fire exercises in Romania in 2024 with the 101st Airborne Division, demonstrating its ability to operate in coalition training environments. Later that year, it saw its first operational use protecting the floating pier off the coast of Gaza, where it worked in tandem with CRAM defenses to provide complete coverage against incoming aerial threats. The U.S. Marine Corps has followed a slightly different path with its MADIS program, designed from the ground up to operate with the expeditionary and mobile forces that define marine operations. Mounted on the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, MADIS comes in two main variants. The MADIS Mk1 integrates the XM914E1 30mm cannon with FIM-92 Stinger missiles, an M240 machine gun, and jamming equipment, creating a balanced system that can take on both drones and manned aircraft at short ranges. The Mk2 variant emphasizes advanced sensors and electronic warfare, featuring 360-degree radar coverage and multi-function jamming systems. This configuration focuses more on detection, tracking, and suppression of drones rather than missile-based interception, complementing the firepower of the Mk1. The modularity of MADIS allows the Marines to field tailored solutions depending on the mission, whether that requires heavier kinetic firepower or stronger electronic attack capabilities. MADIS has already seen significant testing and deployment. In early 2025, the system was put through live fire drills in Hawaii, marking the beginning of Marine operational training with the platform. Just a few months later, MADIS was deployed during the Balikatan exercises in the Philippines, where it operated alongside other U.S. and Philippine air defense and coastal systems. Marines used the system to demonstrate how mobile counter-drone platforms can be integrated into littoral operations, particularly in contested areas where drones and loitering munitions are increasingly common. The Marine Corps envisions MADIS as central to its future force design, with plans to field nearly 200 units by the end of the decade, ensuring wide coverage for expeditionary forces deployed in the Indo-Pacific and beyond. The key strength of both LIDS and MADIS lies in their layered defense concept. Instead of relying on a single weapon or technology, they integrate multiple tools, guns, missiles, sensors, and electronic warfare into one mobile package. This allows operators to select the best option depending on the threat. Small quadcopters may be jammed or shot down with machine guns, while larger or faster drones may require proximity-fused 30mm shells or missile intercepts. By combining these tools, the systems are able to handle a wide range of unmanned threats, from simple commercial drones to advanced military loitering munitions. Another advantage is mobility. Both systems are mounted on armored vehicles, meaning they can move with frontline units instead of being restricted to static bases. This gives troops immediate air defense against drones wherever they go, closing a gap that has become increasingly dangerous in recent conflicts. In Ukraine and the Middle East, small drones have been used to attack armor, artillery, and even individual soldiers with devastating effect. The U.S. military has clearly recognized that it must be able to defend against such threats dynamically, and both MLIDS and MADIS provide exactly that capability. Looking at their differences, MLIDS is more heavily armed, with Coyote interceptors and a larger platform that allows for additional weapons. It is designed to be a robust, multi-layered system for Army units that expect to operate in large-scale ground battles. MADIS, in contrast, is more streamlined and tailored for expeditionary operations where mobility, integration with lighter forces, and rapid deployment are essential. Together, they represent two sides of the same coin, one optimized for heavy land warfare, the other for mobile amphibious operations. As drone warfare continues to evolve, both MLIDS and MADIS are likely to see upgrades. Directed energy weapons such as high-powered lasers may eventually be integrated to provide virtually unlimited ammunition for drone defense. Improved artificial intelligence for automatic detection and tracking could also reduce operator workload and speed up engagement times. For now, however, these two systems represent the cutting edge of mobile anti-drone defense in the U.S. military, offering troops a reliable way to counter a threat that is becoming more dangerous by the day. Thanks for watching.